In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad store using a simple and easy guide. Whether you're looking to sell digital products or simply explore new business opportunities, setting up a store on Gumroad is a seamless way to enter the e-commerce world. Let's dive right in and get started. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to gumroad.com. Here, you'll want to focus on the Start Selling option. This is the button that will guide you through creating your account. It's a straightforward process, requiring only some basic information to get your account up and running. Once your account is set up, your next destination is the Settings menu. Click on Settings, then head over to the Profile section. This area is your hub for personalization, where you can upload a profile photo or logo to represent your brand. If you have a logo, use it to establish a professional appearance right from the start. In the same settings area, add a bio and a concise store description. This is your chance to tell potential customers who you are and what your store is about. Craft a bio that's engaging and succinct to draw interest and make a good first impression. Remember, your store description helps set the stage for what customers can expect when browsing your offerings. Next, you have the option to customize your store's brand colors. While this step is optional, it's a great way to reflect your personal style or align with your brand's identity. Colors can influence mood and perception, so choose ones that best communicate the vibe you want to share. After you've perfected your profile, navigate to the Products section. This is where you'll list what you're selling. You'll see a New Product button. Click it and select Digital Product from the choices. With so many digital items available for sale, this option is perfect for artists, creators, and entrepreneurs alike. Setting the price of your product is the next important task. Consider what your work is worth and don't hesitate to price it confidently. Customers are often willing to pay for quality products that meet their needs or interests. Once you've set the price, you'll need to give your product a compelling name and description. Be clear and interesting with your text, as good descriptions can be the deciding factor for potential buyers. The next step is to upload your AI art or images. These can be in various formats like JPG, PNG, or even in a zip folder. These images are key to displaying your product in the best light, so choose ones that show your work's quality and details. You're nearly there. Customize the product page to your liking, considering any additional information you might want to include. Once satisfied, click Save and Continue. It's crucial to review everything once more before taking the final step. If everything looks perfect and you're happy with the setup, click the Publish button to make your store live. Congratulations, you now have a Gumroad store ready to start selling your digital products. Remember to check back regularly and update your offerings as needed to keep your store fresh and exciting. Thank you for watching and happy selling.